Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to solve the first layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's start. The first step is to make the yellow cross. The yellow cross looks like this. It's very easy to make the yellow cross, so I'll not tell you how to make it. I'll just give you an example. So let's start. First, you have to find the yellow centerpiece. Then you have to bring all the white corners to the yellow centerpiece like this. Now, the yellow cross is made. Put the yellow cross on the top. Then align the centerpiece and the top centerpiece like this. The centerpiece and the top centerpiece should be of the same color. When it's of the same color, move the front layer 2 times. Do the same on the other sides. Now move the top layer until the color you want here is on the top, like orange. You want the orange here and orange on the top, and the color you want on the side is also on the top, and one white is on the top. Then do R U R prime U prime, 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 R U R prime U prime. Keep doing R U R prime U prime until the color is here. Do the same on the other sides. First, move the top layer. Now the green is here, which you want here, and the orange is here, which you want here, and the white is on the top. Then do R U R prime U prime, 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 R U R prime U prime. Now the color has come here. Do the same on the next side too. Move the top layer. Now it's the blue which is here should come here, the red which is here should come here, and the white which is here should come here. Now do R U R prime U prime. This time it happened only in one time, but sometimes you have to do R U R prime U prime multiple times. Now this can't be aligned because there is no white piece. So just do R U R prime U prime one time. Then move the top layer and one white piece will come. The green should come here, the red should come here, and the white should come here. Now do R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. The first layer should now be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Cubing Crafts and More by Ahan Gupta.